Understanding Distinguished Guest, an English language guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in formal events, speeches, or written invitations: distinguished guest. This phrase carries a lot of respect and honor, and understanding its usage and implications can really enhance your English language skills. So, let's get started and explore what makes a guest truly distinguished. Distinguished means someone who is noted for their achievement, high status, or excellence in a certain field. It implies that the person stands out from others due to their accomplishments or qualities. Guest, on the other hand, refers to someone who is invited to a place or an event by the host. When we combine these terms, distinguished guest refers to an invited individual who is recognized for their noteworthy contributions or status. This phrase is predominantly used in formal settings. You might hear it during official ceremonies, like award nights, inaugurations, or diplomatic events. Academic conferences, where scholars and esteemed professionals gather. Formal parties, such as a gala, where the guest list might include people of high social standing or achievements. Using distinguished guest in a sentence could look like this: We are honored to have Professor Smith, a distinguished guest, who will share his insights on climate change. Understanding the context in which distinguished guest is used is crucial. It not only shows respect but also sets the tone for the event or communication. Addressing someone as a distinguished guest elevates the formality and shows that the host holds the guest in high regard. It's a mark of hospitality and respect that can make the guest feel valued and honored. The term, distinguished guest, also holds cultural significance in various contexts, emphasizing the respect and esteem attributed to guests in many cultures around the world. It reflects a universal value of honoring those who have made significant contributions to society or a particular field. Understanding phrases like distinguished guest enriches your English vocabulary and helps you navigate formal events with confidence. It's a beautiful way of acknowledging someone's achievements and showing respect. We hope this video has shed light on this distinguished phrase, and you're now more equipped to use it in your own communications. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content.